morning, it's Friday the 27th of February and this is your ETX Capital Daily Market Bite. Overnight, global equities gave ground. Investor confidence was dampened by a pullback in oil price induced by a rise in inventories. Brent crude settled down 2.6%, US crude off 5.5%. The Dow fell 0.06% to 18,214 spot 42. S&P lost 0.15% to 2110 spot 74, and Nasdaq actually added 0.42% to 4987.89. News that Avago Technologies had reached the deal to acquire Emulex helped boost the Nasdaq. Avago jumped 14.7% to $129.47. Emulex shares surged 24.6% to $7.93. After the data yesterday, people and investors are more comfortable about expecting the US interest rate hike and taking on long dollar positions. Euro dollar lost around 1.5% in the course of yesterday's session. As of this morning, the euro has edged up slightly, 0.1% to 112.13, but remained not far from a one-month low of 111.84, touched on Thursday. The dollar eased 0.2% against the yen to 119.15, but remained above Thursday's intraday low of 118.68. Looking at the commodities markets now, crude oil futures rebounded this morning after a poor day yesterday, of course, with Brent heading for its biggest monthly gain since May 2009. Supply outages in the North Sea, renewed fears of gas supply distribution across Europe is of course supporting those prices this morning. Brent crude up 98 cents to 61.03. US crude also up 91 cents to 49.08. Gold is currently trading around 12.09 spot 8 off the back of a turbulent trading day yesterday after the release of that all-important CPI figure coming out of the States. Looking at the equities markets, IAG, International Airlines Group, the British Airways owner, has upgraded its profit forecast for 2015 by over 20% after reporting a slightly better than expected 81% jump in profit last year. Now that's trading at 586.96, up 4.69%. Lloyds has reported its first dividend since its bailout during the financial crisis of 2007 to 2009 at a cost of £20 billion to taxpayers. So that's trading at 1.35% to 79.66. Old Mutual, the Anglo-South African financial services firm, said on Friday its operating profit for 2014 rose to 16% to £1.6 billion, about $2.5 billion, just above analyst expectations. It's trading up 0.92%, around 225 spot 48. Looking at the data today, we have the German prelim CPI data expected to be around 0.6%. That's going to flood through for the rest of the day. You've got at half one, we've got a prelim GDP figure coming out of the States, expected around 2.1%. And that's followed by the US consumer sentiment at 3 o'clock. At the open, we have the FTSE at 69.47, the DAX at 113.15, and the CAC at 4,900.